No, I'm not one of those who will pretend on anything. Yes, I scored 0 because I had no money to buy delegates. And those who had money to buy delegates, they still failed. Failure and failure. You know? So the trend that I see all over Nigeria where governors, even a local government chairman now cannot speak against the governor. They will impeach him immediately. It happened between my friend Akwabiodun and my Aburo Waliadidayo, Babalawo, in Ogun State. We must be able to speak truth to ourselves. They removed him just for saying the money of their local government is not being paid or is diverted or whatever. They removed him. Why? You know, the governor is a friend that I like so much, fine gentleman, successful businessman, but in politics, is fight galore. I don't know what is happening in that Ogun State. The next thing I read that they went to demolish Otuba Daniel's wife's building for whatever reason. What manner of anger will make you destroy a multi-billion-naira edifice just because you are fighting politically? I don't know what to do about Nigeria any longer. I'm telling you. It's so frustrating seeing the way we behave as if we're going to be in power forever. I'll tell the truth to you, no matter who you are. I'll tell you. So, what is the significance of the certificate in the current presidential? It's about your qualification. If you are not qualified to be president, you can't be president. It's as simple as ABC. So, and if you are qualified, there is nothing to worry about. You see, people talk about politics as a fight between the old and the new breed. From my experience, it's not about your age, it's about your experience and your exposure. You can be young and have a lot of, from the time I was about 40 years old, I already knew everybody and I had a lot of experience. Some people are in their 60s and I don't know anybody and nobody knows them. So it depends. Look at Atiku, that people say is old, is old. See what he's been able to achieve for our democracy in Nigeria. How can Tinubu do this to himself? It's by allowing people to deceive him and lie to him all the time. People will come and collect your money and say you are God. So that's what happens. Nobody will ask me to come and serve in Tinubu's government. They know my position. He was governor for 8 years. Did you see me there? If I want anything from him, I'll get it. If I want anything from any government, I will lobby and get it. But no, I'm not interested. Just leave me as the president of Ovation. That's good enough. One Nigeria is just a pure scam. I don't think so. We're good together. All of us are here now. Do we know where anybody comes from? Do we care where anybody comes from? No. It's for us to be reasonable enough, to be focused enough, and to decide that we want to live together in peace and harmony. If you give me political appointment, I will not accept. People have asked me repeatedly, I will not accept. Under this prevailing condition, I will not. Why do people think appointment is everything in life? I've appointed myself president of Ovation. That's good. I've said it as if PDP, if they dash me presidential ticket, yes. If they say yes, they are ready to give me, why not? But no more. I don't have the money, I don't have the capacity. I won't deceive myself. Kilo mu to mi wa, oh rere lo mu to mi wa, lo mu to mi wa, oh rere lo mu to mi wa, ole iku ogo, ole àrùn wọlé, ó wá sọ bànújẹ́ mi dayọ̀, oh rere lo mu to mi wa, tàbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ ó ká, bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni. Tàbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ ẹ̀ náà ni ẹ bá mi gbòòrò orúkọ rẹ̀ o níní tí ń jẹ́ èmi ní olórúkọ ńlá èmi ni má ṣe bẹ̀rù ẹ bá mi gbórúkọ bàbá èmi ni tí ń jẹ́ èmi ní olórúkọ ńlá èmi ni má ṣe bẹ̀rù. Àwa yìn Ọlọ́run wa o àwa ń jẹ́wọ́ rẹ̀ pé